All right, now look at the result of calling our API to get the list of customers. The properties of these JSON objects are named using Pascal notation. So the first letter of every word is uppercase. But in JavaScript, we use Camel notation. So the first letter of the first word should be lowercase, and the first letter of every word after should be uppercase. So with the current situation, if we consume these objects in JavaScript, our code is going to get a little bit ugly. So let me show you how to configure Web API to return JSON objects using Camel notation. In Solution Explorer, in app_start, open up Web API config. So you can see that Web API framework, similar to MVC framework, has a configuration class. And inside this class, we have our default routing rule. You can see in this route template, we don't have the action, as we did with ASP.NET MVC routes. Now let's move on. So here, we're going to use this config object and then go to formatters.json formatter.serializer settings. Let's store a reference to this object. Now, to enable camel casing, we need to set a couple of properties. Settings.contract resolver equals new camel case property names contract resolver. And the second one is settings.formatting. We set it to formatting.indented. Now let's build. Back to the browser. Send again. All right, here is our camel notation. You can see that the first letter of every word is lowercase. Next, I'm going to talk about action results in Web APIs.